Hello everyone, I'm Cody from the YouTube Game, helping you with your YouTube gaming channels. And today, I just want to do a quick and simple tutorial on how to cut stuff out of images for thumbnails. So, say you're playing a game and you want to cut out an image to make it like pop out somehow. You're gonna have to get a screenshot, of course, so I just got this one. This is from Ravenfield. It's a game I play on my other channel a lot, and we're gonna be cutting this out today. So I use two tools usually, first one being this one called the Magic Eraser. So what you do is you like hold down on the eraser button, and then you go and select that. So what this will do is you will click on the image, we'll say that, and it will erase backgrounds. So, boop, there we go. It got rid of the blue. But as you can see, it kind of cut out some of the blue guy as well. Well, you can press Control-Z, undo that, and then you can mess with the tolerance here in the top left. So turning it down will make it tolerate only, I don't know how to define it. It won't select as much. And you see, we're starting to get a better kind of erase there. So then you can Control-Z, turn it down even more. And there you go, you're starting to get pretty good cutout here. And you can constantly mess with the tolerance and erase whatever you need to erase. Pretty simple, pretty quick, and then you can just use the eraser to clean it up as you need to. So although the erasing method is pretty good, sometimes your images have a pretty messed up background, and trying to erase everything and get that all right is a little difficult and not really worth the time. So instead, I use the quick selection tool. So that's just here in the top left, quick selection tool. Very straightforward to use. All you need to do is select everything. And it does a pretty good job of getting what you want. Sometimes though, it gets a little bit in the excess. You can hold Alt though, and then click again, and it starts deselecting an area. Sometimes this selection tool is a bit too big though. So if you hold Alt, and you kind of drag the mouse towards you or away from you, you can make the selection tool bigger or smaller. And then you kind of just go from there. Keep in mind, the smaller the selection tool is, I think the lower the tolerance is, so it'll be more precise. So keep that in mind. And yeah, in no time, you'll have a pretty good selection. Then what you need to do is right click, and you can layer via copy or layer via cut. Layer via cut will actually cut the image out of the background, so it will remove it from the background. Layer via copy saves the original image, and then layers via the selected image. So it's easier just to show you here. But as you can see, this layer is pretty normal. And then the layer we created just has the guy. And of course, if there's any excess, you can just erase that. Or another idea is after you have everything selected, is you go and just use the select and mask tool. And just by messing with the smoothing and options here, you can kind of refine the edges and get rid of any of the weird stuff that was caught out. So there you go, layer via copy again. And as you can see, it kind of smooths out the edges, so looks like a better cut. Anyway though, hope that helped you out. If it did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you have any further questions, let me know in the comments, and I can try and help you out. But again, that's gonna be all. So thank you all for watching, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.